Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ram's Happy Whispers. The topic is hope, hallmark of happiness. Yes, you heard me right. If you want happiness in your life, then you have to carry hope along with you. Yes, I'll tell you what hope is. The meaning of hope is be optimistic in the face of adversity. Having an optimistic mindset in the face of adversity. See, hope is very important all the times, but especially in the face of adversity and problems, this is very much required, which is why I told you this way. The normal meaning of hope is wanting something to happen and thinking that it happens. Are you getting me? But especially in the face of adversity, this is important. Face of adversity, when nothing works your way, that is when this hope is very much important, very much required. So which is why this is the meaning is said to be hope. Are you getting me? So when you carry hope along with you, you will be a high spirited person. You see optimism in your life, you will be optimistic, and you always plan for possibilities, and you end up achieving whatever you want in life. So do you want to carry hope along with you? Then why wait? Just go. Hold on that hope and go along with your life to get beautifulness into your life and bang on with your life. Are you getting me? So what am I trying to talk about is what is the disadvantage of not having hope, or you'll end up being hopeless. Are you getting me? Despair as well. So do you want all these things? And then the opposite of hope is fear. When fear comes in, you don't do anything in your life. You end up losing everything. So if you want to end up achieving something or the other in your life, then you have to have this hope. In the adversity, in the face of adversity, when nothing goes your way, then you have to have this hope. This hope gives you a way. This hope shows you a path. This hope tells you what. This hope tells you to think about the possibilities. This hope tells you to take examples of earlier persons who have already achieved something in their lives when in despair. Are you getting me? So hope is very important in life. Just go carry on this hope. That's all for today. Bye bye for now.